Hey everybody, Steve here. Welcome to the channel. For those of you who know me, you know that I am not a fan of unboxing videos. But it seems as though people are a fan of unboxing videos. And today's a big day. The Radiomaster TX16s Max is here. That's the box. People seem to like unboxing videos. That's the box. What the heck? What the heck? What in the heck? Check it out. I didn't get this with my original one. What have we here? We've got a whole bunch of stickers. I love stickers. Wow, I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I did this. Look at that. That's worth it right there. Radiomaster stickers. They got Rippin' Nuts. Rippin' Nuts OpenTX stickers. Multi-protocol stickers. Hot damn. Hot datey dog. I guess I'm kind of glad I did this on film. I did remember to hit the play button, didn't I? All right, here we go. You ready? Should we do a drum roll? That's a terrible drum roll. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. It's gold and silver. Oof. This is, oh, yes. Okay. Oh, that's kind of what I was hoping for. That gimbal, oh, that feels so much better to me than my original one from the original batch. So check it out. What do you, oh, leather. Holy crap on a cracker. Leather. All right, boys and girls. Holy crap. All right. Wow. All right, check it out. These guys are top notch. It even says Tahoe Steve on it. Look at that. Holy crap on a cracker. All right. Wow. Leather. Man, I can't I can't tell you how good this feels in my hand, man. This is amazing. Amazing. Okay, upon first inspection, you can see the model and the sys a lot better. Oh, that gimbal is like, that feels good. That feels so much better. Okay, sorry. It's just that good. It is just that good. Just checking the switches. Just checking the switches. Checking switches. Okay, I'm sorry, I got carried away. Let's see what else is in the books. What else is in the books? All right. We got a little keychain. Very cute keychain. A strap. I don't know whether my first one came with a strap or not. All right. I don't think it did. Oh, check this out. They threw in some R16s. Holy crap on a cracker. This is awesome. All right, so a couple of those. Oh, more springs. Springs. Gotta love springs. A couple of these. One of these. He says one of these because he doesn't know what the hell it is. And then, of course, a USB. I think they call this USB-C for the computer. All right. I'm going to get some batteries. All right, so it's important for me to mention that Radiomaster did send this radio to me. I'm going to tell you right now that at first glance, I have a lot of positive things to say about this radio. That is not influenced by the fact that they sent it to me. If You look at the first 22, yes, I did say 22 videos that I did on my original Radiomaster TX16s. This is a radio that I bought on my own, paid for on my own, and just absolutely fell in love with from day one. So, yes, I love this radio. And if I go on and on and on about how much I love this radio, it's because it is an improvement on the first one. The leather on the side feels amazing in my hands. I can't tell you how much this throttle feels so much better than the original one that I have. Another thing that kind of jumps out at me right away is this. I can't tell you, Radiomaster, how much I appreciate the ability to do this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, that's going to make it so much easier to store. So thank you, Radiomaster, for listening and doing that. That's absolutely amazing. All right, so one other thing that I noticed right away, and that is this.
Welcome to OpenTX.
That speaker.
Throttle warning. Switch warning.
That speaker is like 100 times better than the speaker in this one. Now, I don't know whether you're going to be able to hear the difference on this. I'll turn my microphone around. Old one.
Welcome to OpenTX.
New one.
Throttle warning. Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning.
I don't know whether the video is able to capture that, but it's night and day difference in person, I can assure you. All right, so I'm going to continue to play with this thing. I'm going to go out and fly with it, formulate some more opinions on it. But first impressions are freaking wow.